Bonjour, in this GCSE Speaking Exam Practice video, we are going to answer this question. Quel est ton sport préféré et pourquoi? So, this is from theme 1, topic 3, my free time and media, or free time and media. Let's have a look how we can answer this question at the highest level possible. Of course, if you want a support guide for this video and any other video that I post on YouTube, it's absolutely possible. Just join by clicking on the join button below and also checking learnfrenchwithalexa.com, which has an awesome course in it. Anyway, let's have a look at the question. Quel est ton sport préféré et pourquoi? Now, quite simple, this question, quel est, which is, what is in the present tense, okay? So you're going to answer in the present tense, and maybe in your answer add another tense, okay? This is what will make your answer a little bit more complex, and therefore will bring more points to your answer. Anyway, this is my suggested answer. You can use any sport you want, any sport that you can relate to, okay? Tell me what sport you do, why you do it, and how many times a day or week or month you do it, and so on, and why it is that you do all these things, you know? So, here's my answer. J'adore le basket et le football. D'ailleurs, you could say, en fait, je fais du foot dans un club avec mes amis tous les mardis. Je joue aussi au basket dans un club à l'école tous les mercredis. À mon avis, c'est très important de pratiquer un sport d'équipe. Ça permet de garder la forme. Je suis allée nager à la piscine la semaine dernière. J'ai nagé 2 kilomètres. So I'm giving you a few different sentences here, which you can use the way you want. You can take one and throw it away, and you can put them back here. But let's have a look how we can make this answer, okay? And why is this answer so good? Quel est ton sport préféré? J'adore, I love, le basket et le football. Now, please learn other sports, okay? How do you say horse riding, for example, is équitation. J'adore l'équitation, okay? And la natation is swimming, okay? Le handball, le basketball, le football, le hockey sur glace, le patin à glace, that's ice skating, etc., etc. Learn the sports by heart. J'adore le basket et le football. D'ailleurs, I do like d'ailleurs and en fait. They're really, really useful. Learn them. In fact, d'ailleurs, as a matter of fact, je fais du foot. So you do foot, okay? Je fais du foot dans un club avec mes amis. And when, give a time, always when it's happening. Tous les mardis. Every Tuesday. So if you want to say tous les mardis, mercredis, jeudi, etc. with the days of the week. You could say tous les mois, every month. Tous les ans, every year, okay? Tous les soirs, every evening. Tous les matins, every morning. Tous les après-midi, every afternoon, okay? So, dans un club avec mes amis, tous les mardis, tell me when the things that you're doing is happening, okay? We do like that. It's really important, okay? Je joue aussi, so tell me what else you do. So, je fais I do some foot, and I play basket. Okay? Try to use faire and jouer, I was going to say properly. That's what I was going to say. Okay, so je fais du foot, je fais du basket, but je joue au foot, je joue au basket. So the prepositions here is really important, the way you're using. So, je joue aussi au basket dans un club à l'école tous les mercredis. Now, if you wanted to say every week, toutes les semaines, but if you wanted to say once a week, you would say une fois par semaine. Twice a week, 2 fois par semaine. And fois is spelled like that. So, une fois par semaine, per. 3 fois par semaine, 4 fois par semaine, etc. You could say, je joue au basket 2 fois par semaine avec mon école. That works too, okay? So, à mon avis, again, give your opinion, c'est très important it's very important to do what? Pratiquer un sport d'équipe. Okay? Now, équipe means team. Learn that word. It's very useful. Okay? C'est très important de pratiquer un sport d'équipe. It's very important to practice a team sport. Okay? And also, and you could say et aussi. Okay? So try to connect the sentences together. Et aussi, ça permet de garder la forme. Okay, I did not connect these sentences, but you can. It adds on to the difficulty of your answer. Ça permet de garder la forme. So, ça permet, it allows to do something. So, ça permet de garder la forme. Ça permet d'arriver plus tôt. It allows to arrive earlier. Ça permet de. Okay, try to remember that. Permettre is to allow. Okay, it's like permit. Okay, so ça permet de garder la forme. So try to learn garder la forme. Very useful during the health section of the GCSE, you know, garder la forme, être en bonne santé, par exemple, manger sainement. All of these phrases are really useful to learn, okay? It allows us to keep in shape, okay? You could say, par exemple, to add on to what you're saying, je suis allé nager à la piscine la semaine dernière. So it allows to keep in shape. For example, I went. Je suis allé. Again, the difficulty is here. How do you say I went in French? Je suis allé. How do you say I go? Je vais. How do you say I will go? J'irai. Learn aller in these three tenses, please. Okay, ideally with a conditional as well, but learn that. Okay, avoir, être, aller, faire, vouloir, pouvoir, devoir, savoir. This should be learned in their present, in their imparfait, and in their future. Okay? Je suis allé nager. I went to swim. Okay? At the swimming pool, à la piscine, la semaine dernière. And tell me when it happened. Always give me a timeline. Last week, la semaine dernière. And here we're showing the examiner. We can use the passé composé with aller, je suis allé, but also with nager. J'ai nagé. I swam. I have swum. 2 kilomètres. There you go. J'ai nagé 2 kilomètres. Okay, so we are showing here the examiner that we can actually use adverbs, we can use connectives, we can use the ça permet de, for example, the idiom. We can use the past tense with aller, we can use the past tense with nager. So that makes this a very good answer. Okay, so try to do it yourself. Pick, mix, whatever you want from this answer. Of course, it is not only a suggestion. It's not the answer you should give to the examiner. It has to agree with you, of course. Okay, so that's it for me. Remember, there is a whole playlist on my GCSE videos that I would like you to have a look. Also, because it's going to be very useful for your reading exam and writing exam too. Remember, I am on Instagram. Please join me on Insta and spread the word. Yes, that's it. Spread the word. Tell your teacher about these awesome videos. You know, maybe she would say, actually, go and watch them at home and come back to me so we can practice them together. Yeah. That's it for me. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous. Salut.